Hi guys, and welcome to our epic Kenya safari. I'm going to take you on an incredible journey through 3 different major ecosystems in Kenya. From the beautiful green swamps lying under Mount Kilimanjaro to the arid desert landscape of Samburu, all the way to the famous Maasai Mara. Are you ready? We're going to start with Amboseli. Amboseli, located in the midst of an elephant corridor connecting national parks, it is known for providing a sanctuary for Africa's largest remaining elephants. February is a great time to find the largest bulls visiting the swampy grassland in search of females in estrus. Encompassing evergreen swamps that are fed by underground water at the base of Mount Kilimanjaro. These swamps provide life for a huge variety of different wildlife as well as water birds. On their way to the refreshing swamps, elephants are passing spectacular landscapes to reach their preferred grazing grounds for the hot days of the dry season. Samburu, named after the fierce warrior tribe that inhabits this arid mountain landscape. Not unsimilar to the Masai, the Samburu protected the biodiversity of their land, providing this area with a rich variety of wildlife. Within this dreamlike landscape, big cats and majestic raptors are not uncommon. Far in the north of Kenya, it offers a completely unique ecosystem with species that can only be found here, as protected habitat is limited further to the north. Rare and extraordinary species such as the reticulated giraffe, the Grevy zebra, the Basa oryx, and the Somali ostrich, which turns blue during breeding, as well as the unbelievable giraffe live here. Almost humorous looking animals providing you with a feeling that a fable world has been drawn around you. The Maasai Mara, famous as part of the greater migratory system of the wildebeest. We are visiting this rolling savanna in the dry season. Most grazers are currently down south as they follow the rains for the calving season, much to the delight of the elephants who enjoy the quieter times for themselves. During this time, we enjoy observing a large variety of resident wildlife, such as topis, giraffes, as well as the resident big cats, Mara's famous lion prides, cheetahs, and sometimes even leopard.